Hi, good day. I am Mark Joseph Hara Arellano. I am 19 years old from Tolo, Batangas City, Philippines. I was born on April 8, 1993. I am second year student at Batangas State University. I'm taking a Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in welding and fabrication. Before studying college, I work in Kepel, Batangas, so I experienced how to work in a big company. I am the son of Jesse Banagaliano, a general foreman of construction and corporation here in Batangas City, while my mother is Mrs. Glenda Hara Arellano, a housewife. I have 3 sisters and I am the second to the elders. I can deal people in polite and friendly way. I am fluent in English, both oral and written. My hobbies are playing basketball, bonding with my friends, listening a songs like Christian songs, and that's all. It's all about me. And thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon, and I hope to work with you in your company. Thank you and God bless.